Hi everyone, myself Puthi. Today I welcome you all for an investment series about the power of investing. The name itself suggests that the power is involved when you start investing. So the power means the return what you will be getting by investing. So in this video I will be talking about the mathematical figures of investing when you start investing. So I will talk about the person who is not investing. I will talk about the person who starts invest. So I will give you a mathematical figures of both of those people in the next part of the video. So this is a part of a video of mathematical figures of the persons who is investing and not investing. Let's take an example of a person who doesn't gonna invest in entire life itself. So average monthly salary of a person in India is at 32,800 rupees. So let's take roughly as 32,000. So in that 75% will be the expenses and 25% will be the savings. So the savings comes around 8,000 rupees. So if we save 8,000 rupees per month every month, so you will be saving for a year 96,000. So for 25 long years, you will be saving almost 24 lakh rupees. It's a huge amount. By listening, it is a huge amount for at today, but after tomorrow, at 25 years after, the value of 24 lakh will not remain the same. So if you want to buy a plot now in Bengaluru or any kind of a cities, the average plot cost will goes to 30 lakh rupees. So do you think that it remains the same after 25 years? No, it doesn't going to remain the same. If it grows by 10%, it will be growing at 22 crores, 2.5 crores after 25 years. So for that, similar to that, you should also start investing. Let's take an example of a person who starts invest. So when the person start investing, so average savings per person, as we have taken in the earlier part example, is an 8,000. So let's take a person who doesn't gonna keep it with them. He will going to invest in some other investment instruments like fixed deposits, saving schemes, and mutual fund, stock market. Let's take an example of a investment instrument of mutual fund. So mutual fund on an average which gives 10 to 12% of the return. So if it gives 10 to 12% of the return, so you will be investing every month as an SIP. SIP means systematic investment plan. When you starts doing 8,000 rupees per month, so total amount you will be investing per year is 96,000. For 25 years you will be investing almost 24 lakh rupees. So in the return, what you will be getting? So for 25 years you will be earning a return of 1 crore 27 lakh rupees is the amount you will be getting as a return. So let's add that with the principal amount what you will be paying investing, it will be comes around 1 crore 51 lakh rupees, the total maturity amount you will be getting by investing in a mutual fund. So I am not suggesting to invest in mutual fund, but it is one of the investment instrument. If you want to start invest in mutual fund, you will be getting such a returns. So it is a return, but you will be getting. So similarly, this is the power of investing. So when you start invest, this is what is going to happen in the later part of your longer period of investment journey. If it doesn't invest, the person like a 24 lakhs, what you going to do with that? So this is about the mathematical figures which I will be telling about the investing. So in the next part, I will be telling you the Indian growth story. Indian growth story means, let's take an example of a China who is similar to our population is 140 crores peoples, similar to our population itself. So where their economy is, where their purchasing power is, how they are growing, how much of industries are there, how much of people have been employed. But think of India. If India should become like that, what is the potential is there in India? How much of the industry should happen? How much the peoples get the purchasing power, demand? If the India grows, when you invested in India, when you invested in companies and all, as the India grows, companies also grows, industries also grows, the investment amount what you will be investing, that also grows. Let's take another example of a western countries like a US. In US, the person who is going to clean the toilets, you will be coming with the car and all. So think is living standards are different. So in India presently, the person in the villages and all, they will be not be having the slippers to walk. In that case, if the person was to become from not having a slipper to the car, if that living standards to happen in India, let's think about how much of the industry is going to happen, how much of the industry is going to create, how much of the potential is there in India. So this is the potential is there in India. If India grows, the investment amount what you will be investing, that also grows. Please invest in India, have faith in India. India has a very growth, very potential. Next 25 years, many economists have expected that India will going to become a world's second largest economy or first largest economy in the world. So I think this will going to happen in the future. Please invest in India, get a good returns, enjoy the returns. So this is all about the video about the power of investing. In next video I will be coming up with the basics of stock market. It's one of the very much important topic to know for each and everyone. Till then, bye bye.